LT not jumping again. You gotta save this for memories, man.
That Chihuahua, that bang bang, hold up, nigga.
Only easy on American Most Wanted list. You don't wanna see us on camera smoke.
Damn right we ain't new to this. I'll fuck it though and then cut your bitch. Damn right we ain't new to this.
It's a freestyle, right? Smack DVD.
That sound like a Boosie hit. I'ma
Smack.
get away with it. I don't fuck like a chopper spit. Go around straight.
Hey, that be got on your man.
But we got it.
Alright, come and record.
I get some new shit. Watch it. I'm about to hit it. Get him, boy. Go ahead.
No way. You better build a fucking whistle. With our fucking whistle. Try to make a battle out of that. I knuckle with you, little nigga. I got a couple pistols. If it fucking hit you, you be dead or he fucking crippled. If you're a snitch, we come in and get you. LIB is a set, Slaughter Games a label. So when I root you, bang, 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 nigga, you get stoned with that dang, dang, dang.
Let's go.
Stop playing, homie. I'm from down south with that slang talk, homie. Talk, homie. With that boy talk, nigga. You're not gonna say with that long shit talk, nigga. I'm 5-star on that game, boss and shit. So no nigga, I'm put you behind bars and shit with the Henry. Stop playing with me, bro.
Okay, let's go.
My rhymes say
Let's go.
They will fucking kill you for free. I ain't talking about Ebola, no motherfucking HIV. That shit is the motherfucking wild coronavirus. That shit got motherfucking living in crisis. God damn, this shit is motherfucking ours. The white people killed in the black man for no fucking reason. Time to unite, cause it said united we stand, divided we fall. So when it comes to the shit, me and my crew, we going all off. I ain't no bitch, nigga. I'm hustling hard just to get big
Let's
figures.
go, man.
I'm
LT
the
got
pit
nice
bull.
too.
My shit is.
It's on, gonna spit some.
Yo, I said, yo, who wanna hold the camera, man? I said, I bust heads off. Shit is real, my nigga. Niggas duck when it's wall like duck swords. Low nigga with the shotty in the pump, make it jump back. This shit is real, my nigga, so fall back. Nigga, the strong surviving, the weak still rising. You on the block, I catch a body, make a silk, clean my hands with 100,000.
Wow.
This shit is so fast when I'm spitting this shit. This shit is real, all my niggas deep in this bitch.
Gang.
Nigga tweaking this shit. Hating on a bitch, you a weak nigga. When I catch you, we sneak niggas and leak niggas.
Whoa.
This shit is
We
real.
niggas, street niggas, we eating this shit. These niggas gonna get in the clip. We gonna get this shit, and we gonna get that clip, and we gonna flip that bitch, and we gonna call your bitch. Cause first thing we don't do is talk about. First thing niggas gonna get is knock out. First thing is go get us, cop out. Thirst niggas, go get us, and thirst niggas. We third niggas, we thirst niggas, we've hurt niggas. We've hurt niggas, curtain niggas. Curtain call, we hurt niggas, we versing niggas. Whip the reback, we versing niggas. So one time, so when we hurt niggas, reversing niggas, make sure niggas are breathing. Make sure that if your niggas ain't eating, you ain't eating.
I said, I'm a beast, boy.
Tell
I'm
'em
always
for a
on
reason.
leash. Fuck with me and pussy nigga, and I knock you off your feet. I'm here to eat, never bow down, always got a ground. Loyal to first, then kick later. Cause you know me, I hit hitters. And I show that them fucking instigators. Running on my mind like a slave, trying to get free.
Get it.
Whatever it is, me and my crew, we gonna hustle hard just to eat. They're not on our level, yo. Fuck with me and I'ma let the goons get the shower. Nigga, y'all bitch nigga getting buried. What the fuck you think in life is a motherfucking hurry? Nah, me and my niggas are the pit bulls.
Gang
Fuck with me and bitch nigga, you gonna get booze. Cause you know we stay with our motherfucking tools. And that shit is one of the motherfucking reasons.
And you know one thing? We don't lose.
Tell them,
Tell them, Gunna, we don't
I
lose.
say I never take a loss, my nigga. I humble myself. I'm still trying to be the boss, my
Nigga.
nigga. You trying to cross, my nigga. You gonna hit the pool like Diana Ross, my nigga. You get your soul snatched and hang on the cross, my nigga. Roll, my nigga. I go hard. Niggas so dumb, I gotta feed my dogs, my nigga. But listen though. If you trying to be your leader, you gotta keep the full fifth for the clip, nigga, with the full leader. Shit's preaching, my nigga stuck in the trenches like ether. This shit is hot when I step in the booth. I'm spitting pen low, nigga, shit I spit from the truth. Shit is real, you get stumped, nigga, step in the booth. I'm a dark low nigga, they trying to figure me out. So I move through the niggas, you can't figure me out. I been places you ain't never been. Shit is real, I'm staying tall, so I never been. The last nigga pulled me in the throat, I gave his life back. Cause I ain't with that snitching shit. Niggas hating this shit.
Gang shit, quick shit.
Quick shit, gang shit. Kim on you,